Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the tips and tricks that you can use to hopefully get you more gigs or make gigs run more smoothly. You can watch these in any order and you don't have to obey them all. You can just do 2 or 3 of them. It's up to you, but these may help you get more gigs. This next one is have fun on stage. Yes, now this does depend. When I say have fun on stage, if you're a fist in the air rock band and everybody's upbeat and every song's marvellous, then yes, try and smile on stage. Try and generate some energy to go into the audience. Now, during a sad song, you can't do this because smiling during a sad song just looks wrong. But if you're that type of band where everybody's sort of dancing on the dance floor and bopping up and down, bopping, that shows how old I am. People moving, dancing, throwing shapes, I think some people call it, on the dance floor. Then try and smile on stage, try and generate the energy from you into them. Because if they're having fun, they're probably spending more at the bar, which will please the club owner, which means you will get a thumbs up from him because he's took more money behind the bar, and you may get booked again. So try and look like you're having fun on stage. Try and look happy. And to be honest, if you enjoy performing like I do, you should be happy to be on stage. I am always smiling. I am full of energy on stage. That's something that happens. If you're not, maybe performance isn't the thing for you. Now, granted, if you're more of a serious band that plays serious songs, then can you smile? I'd leave that up to you. I'm mainly talking about my world, which is hard rock and rock music. Try and smile, try and create energy, try and get people dancing. Again, I've mentioned before, not talking too much during songs, calling them up to try and get them dancing, that's good. The more they're dancing, the more they're enjoying themselves, they might get more money behind the bar, and again, the club owner's happy, he gets a thumbs up, you get a thumbs up, and you might get more gigs, you might even get more money. So try and have fun on stage if you're that type of band. Again, if that's not your thing, then don't. But most people, in my opinion, go to a show to have a good time and have some fun. So smile and have fun on stage. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, and as always, goodbye.